Make all your favourite fried foods from the comfort of your own home with this compact and convenient deep fryer from Tefal. Automatic oil filtration lets the oil cool before draining it into the oil box, cleaning it and storing it for the next use, saving you the hassle and waste of changing over the oil every time you cook. The cooking lid contains a handy viewing window, which allows you to keep an eye on your cooking, easily follow its progress and ensure your food is cooked to perfection. The immersed heating element is in direct contact with the oil for fast and precise heating that consistently delivers high-quality results. Thanks to the dishwasher safe parts on this Tefal deep fryer, cleaning up couldn't be easier.